Alright, so I just wanted to record a video here. It says, assume that the isolated economy of Elo with 480 people can make blankets or shoes. Blankets or shoes. Initially, it takes 6 workers to make a crate of blankets. 6 people per crate. And 4 to make a carton of shoes. 4 people, crate of blanket. 4 people make a carton of shoes. If Elo is able to reduce the number of workers to make blankets to 3, question is, will residents choose to have more blankets because they're plentiful? Well, let's take a look. So here we go. We've got shoes, and it's cartons, and this is crates of blankets. If there's 480 people, and it takes 6 people to make a crate, then I can make 80 crates. 480 divided by 6, if everybody goes here. Or I could make 120 cartons of shoes. 480 divided by 4 is 120. Now, what happens when they can make 3 people per carton? Well, the shoes don't change, but now 480 divided by 3 is 160. So here we are. So this is where they were before on the black line. Right, and now here is where they are. If we assume they have some demand curve like this is demand, then before they were here, and now they are here. So yes, absolutely, they are, people will choose to buy more blankets, absolutely. So here's where they were before, here's where they are now, so they're absolutely buying more. I could stop the analysis here, but let me do something a little bit more complicated just to show you what could happen. This is probably what your professor is going for, because this is kind of the basic analysis. So like, yes, they buy more blankets. Like before they were buying this much, now they're buying this much. But let me show you something a little bit interesting. So take a new picture. Shoes, blanket, and initially, remember, we're at 80 and 120, and now we go to 120, 160. Perhaps this is the demand curve. If the demand curve is here, then this is where I was before, and this is where I still am. In other words, if I consume only shoes, it is possible that I will still consume only shoes, even though blankets are more plentiful. As I said, this is a little bit more complicated analysis. I doubt your professor is going for this, but I just wanted to show it to you. Maybe you could include both and say less likely scenario, but still possible. The more likely scenario is what I drew here. Here's where you are initially. It's easier to produce blankets, so now the line moves here. Why does it move here? Because you could still only make 120 shoes if everybody's making shoes, but 480 divided by 3, 160 blankets. Here's the demand curve used to buy this many blankets. now you buy this many. Clearly you're buying more blankets. Hope this video was helpful. Let me record one more.